Not sure how to load paper in your Canon printer? Let me show you step by step. First, turn on your Canon PIXMA E470 and wait until it's ready. Now, open the rear paper support tray at the back of the printer. Next, pull out the front output tray so printed pages can come out smoothly.
Take a stack of plain paper and align it properly. Make sure it's clean and not curled. Slide the paper guide to the side to make space for the paper. Place the paper into the tray with the print side facing up. Insert it gently. Adjust the guide so it fits the paper perfectly, but don't press too tight. That's it. Your printer is now ready to print without any issues. If the printer doesn't pick up paper, reload it or fan the pages slightly.
If this helped, like, share, and subscribe. Comment below if you have any printer issues.